Hello everyone, welcome to Tag Schooling. Today in this video we're going to learn how to disable YouTube comments. So for that what you have to do, click on your picture on the YouTube sidebar and go to YouTube Studio. As you get inside YouTube Studio, click on the videos. Select any specific video that you want your comments to be disabled on. Click on that video. You will get two options, that is basic and more options. Click on more options, and as you come down, scroll down, you will come across this section which says comments and ratings. Click on allow all. Like, you will be getting these four options: allow all comments, hold potentially inappropriate comments, or whatever the point you like. Click on that. In case of disabling your comments, click on disable comments and save it. That way no one would be able to comment on your video, and you will be having a comment free video. Like, no one would be able to do that. Why would you like to do that? I have no idea, but for a specific reason people write a lot of hate, so most of the YouTubers try to disable the comments. But my suggestion would be not to disable comment. All you have to do is to hold inappropriate comments for review and save it. That way the inappropriate comments will be stopped, will be reviewed by you, and appropriate comment will be on your channel, which can be seen by other people. So for that reason and for this, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and if you want anything, please make sure to leave a comment, and see you in the next video.